Hey friends, welcome back here. This is from bioshop.ru, and today this is the new sneakers for Nike Blazer Sacai blue sneakers, and this is the shoes on the website, and this is the shoes. So you can look double Nike shoes for Sacai sneakers. One is the orange color, and another one is the milky white with another kind of material. And on the upper got the suede and also the white temple leather that help you look really clean. And for the shape of the spear and the design is very good. And also the white rubber sole, and this part have the space here. And for the front, you can look the very comfortable temple leather. And I got the white shoelace in the middle, got the lace lock. And on the shoe tom, here's the nylon, and got the double layers shoe tom here. Nike shoes with two kind color. And about the inner side, got the same double Nike shoes. And for all details, it's very good. The rubber bottom is a very good design. It prevents a slippery for this kind of design. And this is the back side. You can look at the shape is very good. On the top, got the suede, and got the Nike in the middle, and the white temple leather, and also this layer. And about the inside, the white shoe part, and got the Nike, and the size tag inside. The back side of the shoe tom, got the Nike boots. So this is the new style for Nike Sacai sneakers. So if you want to copy some, please check out our link. For more information, you can contact us. Thanks. So see you next time.